If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I use a ginger bug for a lot of my recipes. The beauty of a ginger bug is that you can use it to carbonate any kind of fruit juice that you want and basically make your own soda. And making it couldn't be easier, so let me show you how to do it. To a container, you're going to add 100 grams of water, 20 grams of ginger, and 20 grams of sugar. Mix this well and let it sit overnight at room temperature. The next day, we're simply going to add 20 grams of water, 20 grams of ginger, and 20 grams of sugar. Again, we're just going to mix this all together and leave it at room temperature for another 24 hours. You're simply going to add 20 grams of water, 20 grams of ginger, and 20 grams of sugar once a day until the fermentation becomes more and more active. And usually it takes about 3 to 5 days. You'll know that it's ready when you can see bubbles forming at the top. But like with the sourdough, it gets better with age. And if you add this in the quantity of 50 to 100 grams per liter of fruit juice, you will carbonate it and make your very own fermented soda. But be very careful not to miscalculate. But when you're not using it, you can simply just store it in the fridge. And if you're not using it for a while, you can simply just once a month feed it 100 grams of water, 20 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of ginger. Thank you so much for watching. If you want exact recipes of how to make your very own fermented sodas, give my channel a follow and I'll show you a lot more recipes. Like next time where I'm going to show you how to make your very own ginger beer.